What is blockchain? Blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions. And every time a new transaction occurs on the blockchain, a record of that transaction is added to every participant's ledger. The decentralized database managed by multiple participants is known as distributed ledger. Distributed ledger technology is a digital system for recording the transaction of assets, in which the transactions and their details are recorded in multiple places at the same time, have no central data store or administration functionality. In a distributed ledger, each node processes and verifies every item, thereby generating a record of each item and creating a consensus on its veracity. A distributed ledger can be used to record static data, such as a registry, and dynamic data, such as financial transactions. Blockchain is a well-known example of a distributed ledger technology. What is distributed ledger technology? Distributed ledger technology, DLT, refers specifically to the technological infrastructure and protocols that allow the simultaneous access, validation and updating of records that characterizes distributed ledgers. It works on a computer network spread over multiple entities or locations. DLT uses cryptography to securely store data, cryptographic signatures and keys to allow access only to authorized users. The technology also creates an immutable database, which means information, once stored, cannot be deleted and any updates are permanently recorded for posterity.